The record high for today is 80, which occurred in 2018, and the record low is 12, which occurred in 1963. Sunrise today is at 7:02 a.m. and sunset is at 6:13 p.m. The public warning alarm feature of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards will be activated for test purposes today between 11 a.m. and noon. If there had been a threat of severe weather, this test would have been postponed until the next good weather day. If you are having problems receiving our broadcasts that are not related to your equipment, please call our office at 1-800-2... During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available weather day. And the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL70, broadcasting near Charlotte on a frequency of 162.475 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties: in North Carolina, Alexander, Lancaster, New York, Catawba, Cleveland, in North Carolina, Cleveland, Mecklenburg, and Union. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Torn Alert Test. Cherokee, New York. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Torn Alert Test. The Charlotte, North Carolina climate summary for yesterday, February 21st, 2023. The public warning alarm feature of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards will be activated for test purposes today between 11 a.m. and noon. The record high had been the threat of severe weather.
I believe.
Please call our office at 1-800-266-1891.